There's a moment when your laptop, the one that used to fly, suddenly starts dragging. You close tabs, uninstall apps, run cleaners, but nothing really works. It's not just you. And no, it's not always about too many tabs. Let's fix this properly. Hey, I am Veeps, and if your laptop feels slower every day, it's not just your imagination. Today, we'll clean up the software mess, then dive inside to give your machine the love it deserves, safely, at home, without breaking anything. Let's handle the basics first. These aren't miracle hacks, just real cleanup that works. Go to the task manager, startup apps, disable the apps you don't need when your system boots. Spotify, Discord, OneDrive. Turn them off. Now, press Windows plus R. Type %temp% and hit enter. Delete everything. These are safe to remove. They are just digital dust. Press Windows plus R again. Type clean mgr and hit enter. This launches Windows native disk cleanup tool. Super underrated. Take all the boxes, especially system files. You will clear GBs of clutter. Now, open your task manager, go to the processes section, sort by memory or CPU usage, and tasks that are hogging resources. Go to settings and check for updates. Also, check for driver updates. An outdated GPU driver can throttle performance hard. Still lagging? Good. That means the real issue is hiding deeper and we are going in. You don't need much, just the essentials. A precision screwdriver, anti-static brush, air blower, any basic one works fine. A microfiber cloth, confidence, patience, maybe a little coffee refill. Start with the screws. Keep them organized. Inside we have got the fan system, battery, RAM and a whole lot of dust. These fans are the lungs of your laptop. When dust builds up, airflow dies, and that's what causes overheating and throttling. Always disconnect the battery before you do anything else. Even powered off, there's still current running through some parts. Next, unplug the fans. This gives you access to clean them properly without worrying about ripping a cable. You will be shocked how much dust comes flying out. That buildup, that's what's been cooking your laptop for months. I also upgraded my RAM. Started with 8GB, dropped in a 16GB stick, now I'm running at 24GB total. RAM upgrades are simple. If your system allows it, this is the easiest performance boost you will ever do. Now reconnect everything, double check the fans and battery cables, then close it up. Quiet fans, cooler temps, smoother performance. You didn't buy anything new, you just gave your machine what it needed. Most laptops don't die, they just get ignored, but sometimes all it takes is 20 minutes, a little dusting and knowing where to look. Clean it once, thank yourself for years. If this helped, hit that like, drop a comment and subscribe to our channel. More tech tips dropping every week.